If you live in Jennings and have been thinking about replacing your old windows, there's never been a better time to do it. Beyond improving your home's curb appeal, new energy-efficient windows can have a big impact on your comfort, utility bills, and even your carbon footprint. Let's look at some of the biggest benefits of upgrading your windows for better energy efficiency. Lower energy bills. One of the first things Jennings homeowners notice after replacing old, drafty windows is a drop in their energy bills. Energy-efficient windows are designed to keep warm air inside during winter and block excessive heat during the summer. This means your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature. Over time, these savings can really add up and help offset the cost of the replacement. More comfortable indoor spaces. Old, single-pane or poorly insulated windows often let in drafts and allow heat to escape, making some rooms feel too cold in the winter and too hot in the summer. With modern window replacements, you can keep your home's temperature more stable. Advanced window technologies like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames help maintain a consistent and comfortable indoor climate throughout the year. Reduced outside noise. Living in a busy Jennings neighborhood can sometimes mean dealing with traffic or other outside noise. Replacing your windows with high-quality, energy-efficient models can help reduce these distractions. Thicker, better-sealed windows act as a sound barrier, making your home quieter and more peaceful. Increased home value. Energy-efficient window replacements don't just save you money on energy, they can also raise your home's resale value. Many potential buyers look for homes that are energy efficient, knowing they will have lower ongoing utility costs. New windows can be a great selling point if you ever decide to move, making your home more attractive in the Jennings market. Environmental benefit. It's another great reason to replace your windows is the positive impact on the environment. Using less energy to heat and cool your home helps lower greenhouse gas emissions and reduces the strain on power plants. It's a simple way to live a little greener while still enjoying a more comfortable and efficient home. Improved home safety and security. The older windows can sometimes be easier to break or force open. Modern replacement windows offer stronger frames, better locks, and more secure glass options. This can give you greater peace of mind knowing your home is better protected against break-ins or accidents. Fewer maintenance worries. Many new energy-efficient windows are built with materials that resist weathering, warping, and fading. They're easier to clean and require less upkeep than older wood frames, which may rot or peel over time. This means you can spend less time worrying about maintenance and more time enjoying your home. Better natural light. Today's window replacements are designed to maximize natural light while still blocking harmful UV rays. This can brighten up your home, make it feel more spacious, and protect your flooring and furniture from sun damage. Take the next step. If you're ready to invest in energy-efficient window replacement in Jennings, talk with a trusted local contractor. They can help you choose the right options for your home's style, your budget, and your energy-saving goals. Replacing your windows is more than just a home improvement project. It's an investment in your family's comfort, your finances, and the planet. By making this upgrade, you can enjoy a more comfortable living space, lower energy costs, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing your home is working more efficiently year-round.